Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view monthly spending report on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Plan and Learn. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Budget and Save. Below is an option that says View the Spending Report. Click on View Spending Report. On this page, you will see your spending report with the Budget Watch. You could filter the report by all payments, credit card, debit card, other checking activity, and bill pay by clicking on the drop-down arrow under the text that says Filter By. You could also change the date range by clicking on the arrow to the left and the arrow to the right under the section for date range. That's how you view your monthly spending report on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.